Please, sir, what
Yes.
does azithromycin do?
Okay. Azithromycin is an antibiotics,
Okay.
not a vitamin,
Hmm.
not a painkiller
Right.
or cold medicine. Azithromycin antibiotics fight bacterial infections like tonsillitis, pneumonia, and some certain sexually transmitted infections. But if
Okay.
your sickness is very viral, maybe you're having flu
Okay.
and COVID,
Hmm.
yeah, it won't help at all. So, and overusing it can cause antibiotic resistance.
Okay.
You get, which may make future infections to be harder to treat.
Okay.
You get me? So my advice is before you take any antibiotics, you consult your healthcare professional for
Okay.
taking any antibiotics.
Oh.